Hello there, this is Gabriela with another video about Money Robot. Another common question is how I can change the language for the articles I do in with Money Robot. What we need to do for that is really simple. We go to settings in here, and then in this area we can change for any of these languages. Okay, after you do, save it, and after that close it and reopen it. I always prefer to do like that. I don't like to only save it. You can also do it and make a test, but that way you have already any change on your new campaign. Thank you. Bye. To the next time.